Okay. Oh, excuse me. Okay, May 3rd. We have two standard size front panels. You can notice that they aren't exactly lined up. I have white bread dough, plain white bread dough in both cookers, the same as the other day. One has, like this first one has the Fire King 460 9-inch glass pie plate in the bottom, raising up the roaster and the heat trap. That one's back to the little rack. I think you can barely make that out there. Probably can't see the pie plate in that one. So my son came up with the idea. We're just rolling up on 9 a.m. so they've been out for 5-10 minutes. This one is set with a ½ hour's lead time. I'll show you what that looks like here. So my son's is telling us that's 7.5 degrees lead time. It's a half an hour. So we will come out, rotate it, and bump it ahead every 30 minutes. And this one has got 2 hours worth of lead time. We're just going to leave that set, and we'll see if there's a difference in the browning and all that good stuff. So once again, 3rd of May, Freeborn County, southern Minnesota. Another bread test with inserts inside of the heat traps. So we'll keep you posted. Okay, we're back on the 3rd of May. It's smelling very bread-like. We are now rotated in line. We're 2 hours in, and we're gonna give them a check here. This one was the rotated one. That was the stationary fixed 2-hour lead. Let's see if we can get that set. Alright, just this. Smells really good here. Really good. These are standard as drawn sized fun panels. Whoa, that's cranking hot. Wow. Okay. Got the thermometer here. Let's see if I can poke this somewhere where you can see it. $170, $180, $190, $95, $200. Maybe 202. That's good. Nice browning on that one. This was the rotated one. All right. I'll let the thermometer cool. Let's put this back on just because it's easier to carry in that way. And then I'll bump over to the next one. I'll get the clips off of here, and then we can, once it gets down around 90 or so, we'll pop the top on that one. We're still up over 100 a little bit. Well, that should be good enough, right? All right. I kind of, with all this glare, it's hard to see sometimes. So we're they're clear to launch here. I need a hot pad. That one's looking good too. All right, whereabouts can I poke this? All right. 70, 80, 190. We're at 200 there as well. That's just 200, maybe a fuzz over. Whoop. Need to pull that out. Well, I'd say that's looking pretty good. We'll get these in the house and on the cooling rack, and we'll take some pictures of the underside so you can see them. Once again, 3rd of May. This is 2 hours. Inserts inside of the enclosures. One was a rack, the other was the Fire King 460 pie plate, probably an antique. Definitely a thrift store find. We'll get these inside and take some pictures. Thank you.